How to use buy again in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use buy again feature. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Now here you'll be able to see the option called buy again. Tap on buy again. So this is the place where you'll be able to see your previous orders and you can directly tap on buy them again. So basically it's a shortcut for reordering the things that you have done in the past. So it is also a way to see your history, what things that you have purchased from this application. Now you can directly tap on buy again and it will be reordered and you'll be able to purchase the same product again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.